Hello, hello. Happy New Year. Let's hope this season brings us more joy than last. Anyway, we got to get on with some seed sowing. We've got onions to get in and all the rest of it. There's all sorts that need doing January time. Sooner we're on it, the better, to be honest, and they got a longer growing season. So I knocked up this seed sowing station today, and the base and the back are off of a old set of chest of drawers from up in the bedroom. Wife hasn't noticed yet. I expect she will later on. And the sides are just a couple of bits of ply. And there you go. Couldn't be simpler. Probably cheaper than buying one from the shops. And you got the satisfaction of knowing you've made it yourself. Have a look round you. See what's knocking about. You might be surprised. You might actually have something that you can just utilise. You might have a box that you can cut down. Anything. Just to hold the compost. Keep it in one place. Just makes life that much little bit easier. So there we go. First project of 2024. Keep on gardening.